स्टार्ट फायर फ्रेश, ये सुन के दिमाग में क्या आता है? ये नो नो नो, अब ये नहीं आएगा. Look at the amazing packaging and the amazing names. I am so excited to dress like these. Let's go. First on the list is the FYRE deodorant by Bella Vita Luxury, which is perfect for this T20 season. I love कि ये deodorant unisex है, plus such a luxury packaging at just $2.99 with an offer of buy one get one. I mean, this is quite literally fire. Next one on the list is the stud deodorant for men. I have opted for a bold yet cool look. These deodorants are super long lasting and can make you smell like their names in just a few sprays. Now be the stud with this long lasting scent. Next one on the list is the Deo Fresh, ताकि मैं इतनी गर्मी में भी fresh feel कर सकूं. And I guess this is perfect for all the players playing in this IPL season. It has the notes of amber, musk and moss. You will feel fresh throughout the day with this long lasting scent. And there's buy one get one offer on all of these deodorants, which means you can get 2 deodorants at just for $2.99. So what is your favorite 1+1 combo going to be? Comment down your favorite deodorant.